Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is 10 lines on rainy season. Number 1. The rainy season comes after summer. Number 2. It brings cool and fresh weather. 3. Dark clouds cover the sky. 4. Rain gives water to plants and trees. 5. Farmers are happy in the rainy season. Number 6. Children enjoy playing in the rain. Number 7. We use umbrellas and raincoats. 8. Rivers and lakes become full of water. 9. Too much rain can cause floods. 10. I like the rainy season very much. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.